This is gonna be a fun video.
So Mike, what are we doing today?
Alright, so today we are going to do a little bit of a play on words and intrude on somebody else's community a little bit. So, if you own a Jeep, you've probably heard of the term ducking, which is where you leave a rubber duck on a Jeep because you think it looks cool or you just want to spread a smile and share joy throughout the community. Well, in the motorcycle world, Ducatis are nicknamed ducks. So today, the ducks are going to go ducking, and we're going to hunt some Jeeps.
Let's do it.
All right.
Hey Duck fam, Mike and Tim here with a quick note about this video.
When we planned and filmed this video, we had only just heard about ducking and the growing community surrounding the idea of spreading happiness through a simple gesture. After filming the video, and editing most of it, we learned that Allison Parliament, who started the act of ducking, has recently passed away.
We here at Ducati Dads extend our condolences to the family and friends of Allison. To show our support, we have included links to the official pages for Duck Jeep, as well as a link to the official GoFundMe for Allison's family.
We hope that this video helps further Allison's legacy and spreads a few more smiles.
Where are you going? Oh, you're gonna do the thing. You're gonna do the thing. Your turn signal's on. You look ridiculous. Oh, green light. You took too long.
Hey! Did I duck you?
Oh, all right, that was all.
Will it stay?
It should, yeah. And that should be.
Okay.
They should notice it.
Another Jeep. I gotta open up my backpack.
I have another duck in my pocket.
Oh. All right. You got another one?
And Tim said that it was too many ducks.
All right. Yeah, oh, they got that same fancy thing too. Oh, but it won't. All right.
Just put it on the, who cares?
Oh, right here.
Okay, yeah, that works.
Put it right there.
Alright.
Oh, you got the sunglasses.
I mean, they're probably in my pocket, but.
Oh. All right, next, there's another Jeep over there. Oh.
Let's find another area of the parking lot so it's not all the same. There's a lot of Jeeps here.
I know! There's another one!
Alright, that's a different area. Let's go.
Right here. That one.
Which one?
That one, right there.
This?
Yeah.
The Rubicon.
Yeah, that's a real Jeep.
Is it a Jeep?
There it is.
I'm just messing with you.
We're
I'm just messing.
right in the middle of the hood.
No. Oh God! They have others. They have others. That's awesome.
Nice, that's awesome.
They have
All
others.
right. Oh, Jeep, where are you? Jeep. Oh, this is a cool Jeep.
You know what's tempting? Should we duck the officer?
Yeah. Later, Ducky. All right, let's go to the other side.
Well, I got one duck left in my pocket, so we could do that one here and then go to the...
I got one duck left in my pocket. That one. Oh,
Yeah.
that's a cool one right there. That white one.
Yes.
All right, let's go get it. All right.
There's a security.
Oh, they got ducks too. Look at
They
that.
have ducks too.
Oh, we get to add one to it.
You're gonna add a duck. Your Jeep is
Yep.
sweet.
Right there. There's the Jeep.
Where? I'm blind.
Right here.
You have to understand, I'm blind.
Oh, they got ducks too.
Have any more?
Oh, I gotta get it out of the backpack.
Yep.
This is going to be a fun video.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
But I paused it, so...
Put the duck
That's just put it
right
no.
there. There we go.
I don't know if they're gonna see that. Alright.
They should when they get in. They should see it.
Put a little bit more wax on it. Whack.
Oh.
Tim hates that game.
Oh, I do. All the glasses. Look at all the glasses. Paid extra for the glasses and no glasses.
Yeah, I don't care about the glasses. Oh, I found one! I found one! Kind of a cool Jeep. Wrangler Limited! You have a duck to add to your duck. I'm putting it right here. You're not gonna miss this duck. This duck. Boom! It's in the door handle. They can't miss that.
Right, we got another one to give. Oh, you don't get the sunglasses. Oh.
Oh no!
Oh man, nice Jeep.
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, nice, brother.
Have a good one, man.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Those ones are the best. Oh, there you go. You can put it. You can put it on that. Boom.
I know, not what you were saying.
Oh, there's another Jeep.
Oh. Go. You're less awkward about it, I think, so you try and catch him.
There's another one up in front.
You go left, I'll go straight. Oh, I don't know. Which way did they... Oh, there they are. Just stop moving! Stop! I want to give you a duck! See, this is awkward now. Wait! Wait, did you see me? Did you see me? Yeah. Trying to give you guys a duck. I was like, this is getting awkward, but I really want to give it to them. Have a good one, guys. Oh man, I think they were trying to run from me too. Oh, I don't know where Tim went, and he's disconnected now. We might have to call Tim to find Tim.
Ready? All right. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Oh man! Ah! I'm trying to get it to her. I'm trying. Where's my horn? Where's my horn? Oh my God! She's got me going all over the parking lot. Oh my God! Oh man! I'm just trying to give you a duck. I'm just trying to give you a duck. Oh. Oh my God, lady. Oh. I'm trying. Oh my God. She's running away from me. She's running away from me. Trying to give you a duck for your Jeep. Oh my freaking God, I was trying to just give you a duck. Oh, but I don't think you want it. Oh. Oh, lady. Okay, you know what? I'm done chasing you. You're done. No duck for you. Mike, that chick didn't freaking stop. I chased her all the way to the back side of the mall. She didn't stop. She kept going. I was like, all right, I'm done. I'm done chasing you now. So I'm right here in front of Dick's, stuck in traffic. All right, I got one duck left. I tried to get rid of it, but oh. Oh, this dude has got a seriously muddy Jeep. And you, sir or gal, deserve a duck.
I recognize that bike.
And you get the glasses because you're hella cool. All right, I got rid of my last duck.
Oh. Wait, is that the one? No, that's not the same one. No way it's the same one. That's the one I caught.
That's the one you got? Oh, they already. We're at the mall. We're at the Tacoma Mall right now. Deep jucking, Jeep ducking.
Hello.
All right, I'm back. Are you still hunting to get rid of that last duck?
Last duck?
How many ducks you got left?
I don't know.
I'm all out of ducks.
Yep, I've got the last duck. That's the last ducky duck.
That's the last duck. All right, fam. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, because we sure enjoyed making it out here at the Como ducking Jeeps on our ducks.
All right, fam, we will catch you on the next ride.